In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment gateway in Webflow. When it comes to creating an online store, integrating a payment gateway is a crucial step. It allows your customers to make purchases directly from your website, ensuring a smooth and professional transaction experience. So let's dive in and see how you can easily set this up on your Webflow project. To get started, you'll want to be in your Webflow project. Once you're in, take a look at the left tool panel where you'll see a variety of icons that help you navigate different aspects of your project. What you're looking for is the gear icon, which is also known as the project settings icon. Give that a click. This will take you to a new set of configuration options where you can tweak different parts of your Webflow project, essential for tailoring your site to meet your needs. Now that the gear panel is open, the next step is to select the e-commerce option from the list. This is where all of the e-commerce settings for your Webflow project are housed, making it the central hub for your online selling needs. You'll find various settings here that allow you to manage products, orders, and of course, payments, which is what we're focusing on today. Once you're in the e-commerce section, look for the Payment tab. This is the key area that allows you to set up how you'll accept payments from your customers. Click on Payment, and you'll see the options for connecting to different payment providers. At this stage, Webflow gives you the flexibility to integrate with Stripe or PayPal, which are two of the most popular and widely used payment gateways available. Depending on your location and preference, you can choose to connect with one or both providers to offer a seamless payment experience for your customers. As you make your selection, make sure that you have your account details for Stripe or PayPal handy. You'll need these to successfully connect your chosen payment gateway to your Webflow store. This ensures that all transactions are secure, speedy, and ready to go live. Once you have completed this setup, your web store is equipped to process transactions, allowing your business to start making sales efficiently. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully added a payment gateway to your Webflow project. Remember, having an easily accessible payment method is essential for ensuring customer satisfaction and fostering trust in your e-commerce store. If you have any further questions as you continue to develop your platform, Webflow's resources and community are great places to find additional support and guidance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you streamline your online sales.